Want to fill your home with stunning, large houseplants without spending a fortune? Instead of buying new plants, why not grow them from cuttings in just water? This simple, low-maintenance method lets you multiply your indoor jungle effortlessly. Stay tuned as we reveal 9 impressive houseplants that you can propagate in water with ease. If you dream of having a lush, towering fiddle leaf fig in your home, you can start one from a cutting. Simply snip a healthy 6 to 8 inch stem with a few leaves. Place it in a jar of clean water and keep it in bright indirect light. Change the water every few days, and once roots develop, you can plant it in soil for a stunning indoor tree. Rubber tree can be propagated in water, but the key to success is allowing the cutting to callus first before submerging the node. Keep the water fresh and place the jar near a bright indirect light source like an east-facing window. Once the roots are strong, you'll have a fast-growing, glossy-leaved beauty ready for soil. Jade plant is a slow-growing succulent that can surprise you with its size over time. To propagate, take a 4 to 5 inch stem cutting. Let it dry for a day or two, then place it in water. While slow to root, it rewards patience with a strong, resilient plant that thrives with minimal care. Dragon tree is known for its striking, slender leaves and low-maintenance care. While commonly propagated in soil, you can start it in water to encourage root growth first. Just place a cutting in a container with water, keep it in indirect light, and wait for the roots to appear before transplanting. ZZ plant is a nearly indestructible plant that can be propagated from a mature stem cutting in water. The key is patience. Roots can take 3 to 5 weeks to appear. For an alternative method, you can also root its pups in water by submerging just the roots while keeping the rhizome dry to prevent rot. Dieffenbachia can grow large and lush, making it a fantastic indoor statement plant. Instead of soil, you can root its cuttings in water. Just remember to change the water regularly to prevent bacterial buildup. Allowing the cut end to callus slightly before submerging helps prevent rot. Monstera, with its iconic split leaves, is one of the easiest plants to grow from a cutting. Take a stem with a node and an aerial root, place it in water, and watch new roots emerge in just a few weeks. With the right humidity and light, your Monstera will flourish, even in water for an extended period. Philodendron is one of the easiest plants to propagate. It grows beautifully from stem cuttings placed in water. Once roots develop, they can be transferred to soil or continue growing in water indefinitely. These adaptable plants thrive in bright indirect light and are excellent for new gardeners. Schefflera can be propagated in water by placing a healthy stem cutting with nodes submerged in a jar. It may take 4 to 6 weeks for roots to appear, but once established, this plant grows quickly. Keeping it in a humid spot ensures its glossy leaves stay vibrant. Propagating large houseplants in water is an easy way to expand your indoor garden for free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant tips and inspiration.